How easy it will be to put an Azone head on an Obitsu body. Will Azone clothes fit this new Obitsu 24 body? How well does the skin tone match? And finally, is it a lot better than current Azone bodies available, and is it worth the hassle? Let's find out together! Hey, it's me Elena, and today I'm gonna compare Azone and this new Obitsu 24 S bath bodies. When I got my Azone romantic girly Chiika and unboxed her and reviewed earlier in my channel, I decided to replace her old and not very flexible body with new Obitsu 24 body. I was really impressed with it when I got my Azone and Obitsu collaboration Airy doll. You can watch her unboxing and review also on my channel. I have here 3 bodies to compare. Newest Obitsu 24 cm body with small bust, Azone Flexion S body and Azone Emotion S body. The Obitsu body is the tallest but aesthetically very similar to the Azone Flexion body. It has the same cute and chubby legs which I love. The Emotion body is the smallest and more of a slender type. It looks less realistic because of all the very visible joints. By picking Obitsu body for replacement, I was hoping to get a compromise between aesthetic look and posability. Let's look at those bodies' capabilities and compare. Shoulder movements are about the same for all the bodies. Flexion body can place its arms closer to each other when they are lifted above the doll's head. The arms of the Obitsu body and Flexion body can spin around near the shoulder. The bend of the arms in the elbows is better for Obitsu than Emotion body. Obitsu body can put them also a little bit closer to the body. The Flexion body is the least realistic as always. The wrist joint seems just a little bit more flexible on the Emotion body than Obitsu, but it was designed that way so the hands of all my dolls with Emotion body are constantly falling off during photo sets. It's so annoying and I always feel like I'm at risk of losing them if I'm shooting outside. They're so easy to disconnect. And also, you're supposed to change it together with the stick which goes inside the arm, but it's almost impossible to do because it keeps disconnected at the joint. The hands of the Flexion body can just spin around, which is very limiting in terms of possibilities for photoshoots. One thing which I love about the Obitsu body is its vinyl torso. It feels really nice to the touch, and thanks to its soft material it looks realistic and can bend fairly easily back and forth and to the sides. The Emotion body is also very flexible, even a bit more flexible than the Obitsu body. However, it is made from plastic without an inner spine, so all the joints are clearly visible, which depending on your purpose could be a bad, good or not important thing. The Flexion body unfortunately can't bend at all. You can just spin it around at the waist. Both the Obitsu and Emotion bodies have double joints in their knees. The legs can be bent very easily on these, but again the Emotion body turns out to be more flexible. This body can sit in seiza posture, which is classic Japanese position to sit on floor when your buttock is on the top of your feet. The maximum that can do with the Flexion body is to bend the knees to 90 degrees, which is enough just to take a usual sitting position. However, it also has a spinning joint in the hips, which helps to do different sitting poses besides just chair sitting. The Obitsu body has the same joint. Feet pose ability is obviously better in the Obitsu body. The Emotion body again could be frustrating when the feet keep falling when you are trying to pose your doll for a photo shoot. After this test, I must say that overall the Emotion body is more flexible, but it is less smooth and realistic, and the falling feet and hands are something that I really hate about it. The Flexion body is very cute and chubby, but for poses it's a few levels behind Obitsu and Emotion bodies. So I think that our Obitsu body is golden middle. The color match is perfect in my opinion. I wouldn't be surprised if they cast dolls on the same fabric. Both normal and white skin tones match perfectly. I tried to put Chiika's head as it is on her new body, but the neck connectors were too small so it could easily fall out. So the decision to change the connector to a bigger one and also attach an additional ring was made. This procedure was very easy. All you need is a little screwdriver. Mine was a crosshead screwdriver of a size 0. And we are done! The head seems to sit well on the body's neck and can move easily, even tilt. Let's see how Azone clothes will fit on the Obitsu body. First of all, I wanted to try on some pants and shirts. I think they fit pretty well. Pants could have some problems around the waist when the doll is sitting, but it depends on the pants style and could be easily covered. My jeans are a hip fit. The shorts look awesome. Another thing to try is some high boots. I was wondering if I will be able to zip it all the way up. It seems they fit perfectly, no problems here as well. Also, I wanted to try on Petworks resin shoes and boots. I really love them, so it will be sad if they're not fit. But they are. I'm so happy about it. And finally, let's dress her up in her outfit from the set. It was another reason why I picked Obitsu over the Emotion body. The Emotion body is so slender that a lot of standard Azone S body clothes just look bulky or basically don't fit. I wanted Chiika to wear her original outfit, so I really didn't want to change her body to an Emotion body. Everything fits perfectly, even if the body just a little bit taller. Clothes are a little bit harder to put on her vinyl parts as it is a rough surface and fabric is not easily sliding. I'm completely happy with my decision. She looks absolutely great, her outfit fits perfectly and she can do all those nice poses now. Which body did you like the most? Are you considering changing the bodies of your dolls? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to discuss different hybridization options. Hope this video was helpful, and if so, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button not to miss my new videos. Love dolls and Kon-kon!